Most people get this wrong. They download Pool Payday after seeing players talk about cash prizes and immediately expect easy money. Here's the truth no one tells you. The app may pay real money to some players, but that doesn't mean everyone who installs it will profit. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Pool Payday works in 2026, whether it pays real money, what the risks are, and whether it's actually worth your time. Let's answer the biggest question right away. Yes, Pool Payday is designed as a skill-based competition app where players can compete in pool games for cash prizes in eligible tournaments. Many users report receiving payouts after winning competitions and completing withdrawals. But here's the problem. A lot of people hear real money and assume guaranteed money. Those are two very different things. This is where most people fail. Pool Payday is not a salary. It's not passive income. It's a competitive game where your results depend on your skill level compared to other players. For example, let's say John enters a tournament with a small entry fee. If he performs better than the competition, he may win part of the prize pool. If he doesn't, he could lose the entry fee. That's how most skill-based cash competition apps work. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest factor isn't whether the app pays. The biggest factor is whether you can consistently perform well enough to stay profitable over time. Many beginners focus only on winning a few matches. Experienced players focus on improving accuracy, shot planning, and consistency. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to test the app without taking unnecessary risks. Start by using practice modes or lower-cost competitions if available. This allows you to learn the controls, understand the physics, and improve your skills before risking larger amounts. For example, Jake jumps into higher entry tournaments on day 1. Alex spends several days practicing first. Alex learns angles, shot timing, and positioning. Over time, Alex has a much better chance of making smarter decisions. But here's another important point. Always pay attention to withdrawal rules, eligibility requirements, and available payment methods. Reading the app's current terms helps avoid surprises later. The rules can change over time, so staying informed matters. Now let's talk about whether it's worth playing. If you enjoy pool games and like competitive skill-based challenges, Pool Payday may be entertaining and offer opportunities to win cash prizes. However, if you're looking for guaranteed income, this probably isn't the right expectation. So what's the final verdict? Pool Payday appears to be a legitimate skill-based gaming platform that can pay real money to eligible winning players. The keyword is winning. Your results depend on skill, competition, and responsible gameplay. Now you know how the app works and what realistic expectations look like in 2026. If this review helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest app reviews, payout guides, and money app breakdowns. Thanks for watching.